Hey guys, this is Miss William. I'm going to show you right quick how to use Teams with your teacher to do video conferencing and some screen sharing so that your teacher can help you out from home. So the first thing you need to do is just open a blank browser, google.com, whatever you have, and type in portal, Portal.office, OFFICE.com. Now, you can go through ClassLink or you can go to the Canadian ISD webpage as well, but portal.office.com will always get you there to the sign-in page. Now I'm going to, you won't see this, you'll actually see this page. I'm going to use Clara's email to demo. It's your first name dot last name at student.canadianisd.net. And then I'm going to hit next. And I would say yes to staying signed in. Now this puts you in all your Office 365 apps. If you don't see Teams right away, you can go to all apps, but we want to use Teams. So we're going to go to Teams. And Teams is like your online classroom environment. So over to the left in just a moment, you're going to see a menu. And if it doesn't default here, you can tap on Teams and that gets you to all of your classrooms. So these are the classrooms that Claire is involved in. I'm going to go into the video demo class just to show you this. It automatically defaults to drop you in the post area. You do have a chat option here, help needed, but know that your teacher is notified and sees these, and so does everybody else in the class. So you want to have good, appropriate netiquette if you're using that. Really today, the main thing we want to show you is down at the bottom, there's this Meet Now option. Now your teacher, if she sets up a meeting, you may see a button here that says Join Now, and you can hit Join. But if you need to set up a meeting, all you have to do is tap on Meet Now. Your teacher needs to know that you're arranging to do this, or else nobody will be there to meet. But you could start the meeting. I'm going to meet now. I know a lot of guys have cameras. My daughter included had their camera covered up with tape. You do need your camera open, and if I hover here, you need your mic on, so you can tap to turn those on. And then over here to the right, if I needed to invite someone like my teacher into the class, like I could tap just the first part of her name and invite her to the class. But typically y'all will have communicated ahead of time to know who should be in the class. Now, right here, you have this share button. This is probably the best option. Your teacher is going to be able, you can share as well, but to share her desktop window, to share any PowerPoints, and most importantly, especially when we talk about math, use this whiteboard with you. It would be nice if you guys had iPads, just because with an iPad and a pencil or iPad in your finger, it's a little easier to use this. But everybody, once your teacher or you open it up, everybody can draw. Now, I'm not great at drawing with my mouse, but y'all might be better. But at minimum, you could see what Miss McClendon was writing so that you could see how she solved a math problem. Now, once you're finished here, I'm going to hover over here kind of to the left. I'm going to stop presenting. And that takes me right back here. Now there's a chat. So if your teacher has asked you to mute your mic, because maybe there's like 4 or 5 of you on here, then you could chat a question. Again, everybody sees that. So you want to be really appropriate with what you put in the chat area, because you don't want to break netiquette. And then this little guy tells you who all's in the meeting. And this would be my demo classroom. My kids are in the meeting. And that is really it. Probably the most important thing after that is making sure that you hang up, because that's how you get out of the class. But the nice thing is, if you work with your teacher at any time, she can get on here and do a demonstration or show you a piece of paper, or you can show her your paper and you could get some help with that. Very similar to like a FaceTime, but through Microsoft, which is a safe environment for you and your teachers. So if you guys have trouble, you can call us at the tech office at 323-8637. We are always here to help you. So we would love to help you out if you're having any sort of struggle. Let us know. Thanks and have a great day.